Hi, Toma. So today is the ball day. This is a ball freak. Yeah, you know that you freak, huh? Yeah, you ball freak. Freako! Tutti, can you get out from me? He's sitting on me. Get out from me. Get out from me. Dirty boy. Say hi, I'm Dirty Boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ball's gone. Go get the ball. Oops, oops. Go get the ball. Ball. He's obsessed with this ball. All gone? Now you close it, yes. And you open it. Asking me first. Uh-oh, it won't come out. It won't come out. 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball. Okay, put it in there. 3. He loves ball. Good job. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? More play? Okay, we gotta go first, okay? Then let's play. You say bye-bye first? Say bye-bye, my big belly. Say bye-bye.